Hi guys, this is a how to solve a systems video 1. The first question that I want to ask is, would this setup system of equations be better for substitution or elimination? Okay, so hopefully you know that for substitution, you need an x equals or a y equals by itself on its own side of the equal sign. We don't have that this time. So this would be better set up for elimination because you have all of your variables lined up. You have the x's lined up, you have the y's lined up, and you have the equal signs lined up, and you have the constants lined up. So it's really going to be nice for elimination. So the next question is, do we already have a variable that can be eliminated? Meaning that you need like a positive 2x and a negative 2x to give you 0, or a positive 5y and a negative 5y to give you 0. So hopefully you notice that you do not have that because number 1, there's no negatives in here at all. And number 2, you don't have the same number on the top and the bottom for either the x's or the y's. So now the question is which would be better to try to eliminate, the x's or the y's? So here's my x's. And it'd be really nice if there was a whole number we could multiply 2 by to get 3. Is that possible? Okay, well, there's no whole number, so doing that one would be tricky. Is there a whole number that you could multiply 1y by to get 2y? Okay, so what is that number? Okay, so hopefully you figured out what that number was. So here's my question. If I have a positive 2y and I want to add something to it, I want this one to become something that will give me 0. So I have a positive 2y. What do I add to it? So I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in that blank. Positive 2y plus what gives me 0? All right, so hopefully you said negative 2y. So that's what I got to get. I got to get this thing right here to become a negative 2y. Well, right now it's a 1y, so you need to figure out what do I multiply by 1y to get a negative 2y. All right, so that is going to be a negative 2. So this is going to get multiplied by a negative 2y, or negative 2, sorry. And so what's going to happen is the top equation is not going to change. The bottom equation is going to get multiplied by negative 2. And so then this is what I want you to notice. Positive 2y and negative 2y become 0. That's what this is. That's what the oval is, to show 0. That is gone. And then when you add the other parts together, you get negative 4x for 2x plus negative 6x. And you get negative 10 for positive 4 plus a negative 14.